Imagine flying a drone where you never miss the shot because the camera captures everything around it. That idea is starting to become reality, and two new drones are pushing this concept in different directions: the DJI Avata 360 and the anti-gravity A1 360 drone. Both drones are built for creators who want something more immersive than traditional aerial cameras. But while they may sound similar at first, the way they approach drone filming is actually very different. Let's start with the DJI Avata 360. This drone is expected to launch first in China around March 26th, with global orders opening shortly after. DJI appears to be positioning it as a premium but still relatively accessible drone, with the base version expected to start around €459. One of the biggest highlights here is the ecosystem. The Avata 360 supports multiple control systems, including the RC2 controller and motion controllers, and it can also pair with DJI goggles. This allows pilots to switch between a traditional screen-based flying experience or a fully immersive FPV-style view. That flexibility is a big deal because it means the drone can appeal to both beginners and experienced pilots. If you prefer precise control, you can use the RC2 controller. If you want something more immersive, the motion controller and goggles give you that FPV-style experience, where flying feels much more natural. Battery performance is another important feature. The Avata 360 is rumored to include a larger battery than its predecessor, with a capacity around 38.6 watt-hours. Real-world flight time is expected to land around 18 minutes, which is fairly typical for a drone with advanced stabilization and processing. DJI also seems to be making some practical design improvements. For example, the lenses are user-replaceable. If the lens gets scratched during a crash or rough landing, you can replace it without sending the drone in for repair. Small details like that can make a big difference for people who fly frequently. Now, let's move over to the anti-gravity A1, which takes a completely different approach. This drone comes from a brand created by the company behind Insta360, and it focuses heavily on 360-degree capture. Instead of a traditional forward-facing camera, the A1 uses two lenses, one on the top and one on the bottom, to record everything around the drone. This means when you fly, you're not just capturing one direction, you're capturing the entire environment. Later, when you bring the footage into the editing app, you can reframe the shot however you want. You can point the camera forward, look straight down, or even create completely different angles from the same clip. And because the footage is recorded in 360 degrees, you can also export it in different formats, like widescreen for YouTube or vertical for TikTok and Shorts. That level of flexibility is something traditional drones simply don't offer. The A1 also focuses heavily on making flying easier. Instead of complicated controls, the drone can be guided by simply pointing the controller in the direction you want it to move and pressing a trigger. This makes it much more approachable for beginners who might feel intimidated by standard drone controls. When paired with its goggles, the flying experience becomes very immersive. You can look around in real time and see the environment exactly as the drone sees it, creating a feeling that's much closer to actually being inside the aircraft. In terms of performance, the anti-gravity A1 can record up to 8K 360-degree video. That high resolution is important because it allows creators to crop and reframe footage later while still maintaining sharp image quality. Battery life is also fairly solid, with around 25 to 30 minutes of flight depending on how the drone is used. However, there are a few limitations. Low light performance isn't the strongest, and the system currently doesn't support log color profiles for advanced color grading. For professional filmmakers, that could be a drawback. So when you look at these two drones side by side, the difference becomes pretty clear. The DJI Avata 360 focuses on control, stability, and integration with DJI ecosystem. It's designed for pilots who want cinematic FPV-style footage, while still maintaining precise control and reliable performance. The anti-gravity A1 focuses more on creative flexibility. By capturing the entire scene in 360 degrees, it gives creators the ability to decide their camera angles later during editing. Both approaches are exciting, and both could change how people capture aerial footage. But they serve slightly different types of creators. If you want a drone that feels like a powerful flying camera system with strong hardware and a proven ecosystem, the DJI Avata 360 might be the better choice. If you want maximum creative freedom and the ability to reshape your shots after the flight, the anti-gravity A1 offers something truly unique. And honestly, seeing these two ideas compete might push the entire drone industry forward. Now, the real question is, which one would you choose?